Right. So we've set up all of our project ready for vercel. We can use npm in Node to basically just npm install all of these imports that we're doing here. We're using import because it's ES6 compatible. So yeah, we just do npm against all these for our project. Obviously, except for the user.js because that's we've created that. And then basically we want to start setting up. I'm not going to go over this stuff. We're going to breeze over this for now because we just want to go through the Node.js stuff. I've already done a little bit of work here. I just wanted to come back to some of the beginning stuff. So we are forcing it to use JSON. We're also setting the URL encoded to false, and we're also using cores. We're going to need cores for React. The URL encoded false is because of the fetch API. For some reason, it doesn't seem to like it URL encoded, and React natively uses fetch, so we're just going to use fetch from React side. We'll go over this passport stuff in a later video. I'm just setting up our static paths. Again, we're not using any of this because we're actually using React. So this was for prototyping. But if you guys wanted to do your own prototyping on your own server-side stuff to make sure everything works, then by all means. And then that's just a function that's in our custom case control. Go over this in another video, go over it in other videos. And then at the bottom here, we're just setting up our ports to listen on. So we're setting it to 5,000. And then that's just letting us know that the server is in fact running. And then we're actually exporting this out as an app because the vercel requires it as an app. So when we build this in vercel, it'll be exported to vercel via this feature. And then as from our vercel.json that we've set up earlier, it's now saying, hey, let's rewrite everything back to server.js. Via the vercel node. So that's tapping into vercel's APIs now.